it.
Come on, sit. It sounds like a bird, doesn't it?
It's so scary.
All right, so John, you're gonna love these too.
Wait,
now.
No, why do I have to sit in the middle?
Okay,
when you guys
see
You're the man.
Okay. When you guys see this, all right, everyone's gonna, this is the biggest awe we've ever had on the show. These are not only the most endangered species, one of the most endangered species in the world, but really need a dating service because their population is so small. But again, the most beautiful animal, first time to the show. Let's bring our two little cheetah cubs. Look at these guys.
Cheetah.
Aww.
The fastest land animal on Earth.
Oh my God.
Look at these two little, oh my God. Now, we also have little
baby.
toys for them. There we go.
Hi.
There we go.
He's
Thank
at your
you.
ball.
Here, John, there you go. Take
Is
the
that
reins.
your ball?
Look at these two now.
Hi, babies.
These are 9-week-old cheetahs. Again, probably one of the most beautiful creatures on Earth. Can run 80 miles per hour. But can you believe it or not, that they actually, when it comes to dating, the female is completely in charge and really puts two males. She makes two males compete with her all the time.
Well, thank you, Jerry. They are really beautiful.
Awesome. Good to see you.
They're
Happy
very, very
Valentine's
sweet.
Day.
Happy Valentine's
Day to you as well, guys.
So am I
Yes.
correct in that 2 out of our 3 animals today?
They mate for
yes,
life.
They mate
Absolutely.
for life.
Well, romance is alive and well, even in the animal kingdom. And what's amazing is that these two guys here, even though they're found in the depths of the ocean, are probably the two most romantic animals you'll ever see. They don't look like it, but these two are very much in love. They are seahorses.
They're
And
so
seahorses are beautiful. They're found in all of the oceans across the world. Wow. These two are actually found near us. They're found in the Atlantic, right off the coast of New Jersey. Isn't that unbelievable?
Hi, babies.
But these guys are beautiful. And look, he's anchored down. Now, you guys missed it while you guys were flirting over there. These two were as well. And they were doing their little mating rituals. And what's neat, look at, they have that prehensile tail. Every morning, they greet each other, they lock tails, and they embrace. And every single morning, they remind each other of how much they love each other. They mate for life. And if one passes away, the other one will never find another mate. And,
Oh, my God.
and would choose to die alone, then replace their original mate.
They're a little buddy.
Are they actually fish? Like they have gills?
Yeah, they're fish. Yeah, they're fish. They have gills, but they look like. I mean, they obviously get the name seahorse because they look like seahorses. And look how they anchor themselves. So they, after all this flirting, they need a rest. So we have the little thing for them to cling to. But you want to know the coolest thing about a seahorse, right?
I do.
Now,
the
we all know
man carries the baby.
they do.
Yeah.
In the animal kingdom, it's the male. So what happens? The female will, create the eggs, but then she'll go over and blast them into the male, and he's got an egg pouch. 21 days later.
And he's got to carry that around.
He's got to carry
Don't you
around
all wish you could do that?
Yeah. Now, in addition to being a top predator here in North America, it's our nation's symbol. And believe it or not, one of the most amazing dating rituals or mating rituals of any animal in the world. And we're going to introduce you to the bald eagle. Here he comes. Here's Griffin. Look at him.
Oh, my God.
Hi, Griffin.
I know.
What a beautiful.
Now, look at those talons. Those talons
Oh, my God.
almost 1,000 pounds of pressure in those talons. Again, beautiful predator. Now, do you want to know how an eagle dates? You know how, okay, so.
Do you see them? They're like giant daggers.
Yeah, listen to this. So they actually use those talons in their mating ritual. So they'll fly 1,000 feet above the ground. When a male is interested in a female, he will fly over her. He will fly over, and we have a photo of it. Look at this photo. He'll fly over, tap her on the back. If she likes him, she'll flip over. They lock talons, and then go into a spiraling death cycle all the way to the ground without flying. And if he proves himself not to let go, he's her man, and then that's his mate. So otherwise,
they
risk
both
their
die
life.
a horrible death.
So they risk their life for love. So it's pretty amazing. So
that's charming.
Isn't that awesome? All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Griffin.
Bye,
Thank
Griffin.
you.